What's going on YouTube? Today we're taking a look at some offerings from Ringke for your brand new Galaxy Watch 6. This happens to be the classic 47mm. They have them for other Galaxy watches as well. Check my link down below if you're interested in picking them up. But a bezel styling kit, as the name suggests, will give you a little bit extra styling for your watch. It'll also protect your screen, and just overall I think it gives you a much better look. And I always install a tempered glass screen protector, even though it's sapphire. I just like that little bit extra protection. So I'm going to install the tempered glass first, and then we're going to check out these bezel styling kits. The only problem that I have is I don't know which style I really like. So I'm going to show you what they look like on the black version. Let me know down in the comments which one you think I should install, and I'll do an updated video with the one that wins. But let's go ahead and install the tempered glass first, because whether you install this styling kit or not, you always want to put a tempered glass. And Ringke has us covered. This is a 4-pack. So you can take them off when you want to, and you can go ahead and install a new one. The first step that you want to do is ensure that your screen is completely dust-free, completely smudge-free, completely anything-free but the glass. And then next, get your microfiber cleaning cloth, get your glass, and then one of these little stickers here. I like to install the sticker in the opposite way of the peel tab, and make sure that you do not touch that inner portion of the glass. And then just align it nicely with your Galaxy Watch 6 here. Once you've installed it, just kind of gently press on the glass to ensure that it is adhering properly. Remove this alignment sticker like so. Now that we have it installed, the touch sensitivity is just the same as if you didn't have the glass installed. Just gives you a little bit extra peace of mind. Now let's move on to another item that's going to give you a peace of mind. We're taking a look at the bezel styling kits. Let's start off with the plain brushed silver look. This is a way to give your watch that two-toned look if you want to change it up. And this is what it's going to look like. So in terms of height, it doesn't add all that much. You can see the difference here. We're talking about a minimal amount of extra height. And it not only changes up the look of your watch, but it also protects the screen. It also protects that bezel from getting scratched up. So if you work in a more rougher environment like construction or anything like that, you don't want to get your bezel scratched up. And they are easy to remove. I'll leave a link to how to remove them down in my description. But this is the brushed stainless steel look, just to give you guys an idea. Let's move on to another one that reminds me of traditional diver watches. And this one is going to have the numbers all around the side there. So again, it's just a nice way to change up the look. I quite like this silver on black. Let me know which one you think looks the best, and I'll do a quick updated short video of having it installed, because I really can't make up my mind. But I know I do want to show you what it's going to look like. And again, let's get a close-up so you can see the thickness difference. Talking about millimeters, but again, you're protecting your screen, you're protecting that bezel, and perhaps you're just giving yourself a new look. Now we're going to take a look at the Dark Knight edition. It's the same like that silver one, but it's all black. And if you do have the silver Galaxy watch and you got one of these bezel kits, shoot me a message on Twitter or Instagram. I'd love to see what it looks like. But this is the all black, and I'm actually feeling this one. Kind of looks really, really nice. Let me show you this one more time. Without the bezel kit. With the bezel kit. When you do install this, make sure to line up these arrows on the top and match it with the clicking of the rotating bezel, because otherwise you might have your numbers misaligned from what's actually written on the watch. So just go ahead and align that properly, just like so. Pretty cool. I really like this two-toned silver on black look. Again, I'm having a hard time deciding which one I'm actually going to install. Let me know down in the comments below which one you think I should. And again, I'll do an updated video. Take a look at that. Pretty cool. Very high quality from Ringke. And let's do one of these one more time. I don't know, guys. Having a hard time deciding which one I'm going to install. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below. I really appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.